So, day 2, go ahead and pop off. We just drove down from Fort Lauderdale to B&B, out here now, about to go in, check my boy Joseph out. He's got a webinar, spend a little bit of time with him, shoot back, probably hit the mall, then may go back out to eat with some of the guys. Another day, another opportunity, talking about growing the business, scaling, new developments coming, new systems, new people we need to hire, scale right at. As of recording this, last month we did 440, goals to get to $1 million a month before the end of the year. So y'all stay tuned, let's hop into the day.
Because we just started bettering our onboarding system for like the agency.
Yeah.
So we've been like focusing, first we were focusing on like the leads, and then we started focusing on recruiting, and then we focused, like it's like back and forth.
Right.
Like you fix one thing, then you're like, okay, let's go fix the other thing. And then we just test things. Like you're mainly testing like, the main thing of this is to push people to school. And then we've been adding and optimizing ways to like make it easier for them to join. Then we're like, wait, we do a Q&A at the end. Let's have the code there the whole time while he's doing the Q&A, because the Q&A is like that slides on the longest. Like
so
there, he's doing
talking,
so he's talking, and then so we're like, wait, let's just add it there. Let's add the code there. So each time we do it, we like notice something. So then now we just switched it actually to Zoom webinar, because Zooms have like a webinar option. We upgraded to it, and then now we're like testing it. And then like for example, yesterday we're on it, and there was no like chat box. We need to have somebody writing it in the chat, because so many people in the chat ask like, oh, like where can I get the link? And you put the link in here, and it's
like,
easier for them.
Like
during the thing.
Yeah.
So then we learned that. Then we're like, oh wait, we got to be doing that for sure. And the other thing is the breakout rooms. Hey, everything's over. Whoever wants to stay, I'll talk to you guys one-on-one for like I guess an hour. Like
more private.
More private. What? And then like there's where you close. And the idea is to like get as many more people on the webinar, and then out of those people, it's probably maybe going to be 10% that go to the breakout room. So more people will get on. Like the percentages will stay the same, but the amount of people will go up.
Good, bro. I was pissed. I don't know why the chat wasn't working.
Yeah, I know, we were talking about
I was faking like, oh, yeah, and then I got caught in the lie.
That was great, man.
You liked it?
I loved it.
Never showed this in English other than to you guys, because in Spanish it actually makes a lot more sense. Yeah, I have agencies right now that they were all health, and they just transitioned to life, so they're selling their current books. Bro, they've written 120 policies, because that's how my team keeps tabs for persistency, and they have like 96% retention persistency. So this is a leadership bonus. This is the only part where FFOs really got me beat, because they got way deeper pockets than me. So those, and I know their bonuses are not as crazy as the ones were, but they're still big. Obviously, we don't pay a big bonus, but obviously I frame it like it's nice, which is $1,500 to $2,000 depending on your title. That's your goal. That's your bonus. That's all it is, right? So if you're a VP, you got to do $1 million. You qualify for a bonus. That's all it is. 85 and above is 100% bonus. 70 to 84% is 75% of the bonus. So if it's a $2,000 bonus, you get 75% of that. And 60 to 75%, you get half the bonus. Anything under that, honestly, you're not good business for us, so we don't even want you here anyway, but you're not bonusable. The High Character Award is a milestone-driven award the first time you hit a certain threshold in a month. So 25K producing, you become a Sapphire producer. 35K, you become Ruby producer, and 50K, the first time you hit it, you become a Diamond producer. We'll give it like a plaque that says you got that, and people like take a picture and put it in their office. I thought of different things I could do, because I didn't want to really copy Hall of Fame. But like the standard in the industry is a jacket or a ring, and I don't really like the ring, so we did a jacket. We just do gold jacket for both. Doesn't matter if it's agency or agent. Then this is what sets us apart. Comp, you own your book, we support you, we have access to exclusive leads, and then tools. We don't have CRM there, but.
Checking in, just left Joseph, and when his mindset, he had a webinar. It was dope. My man absolutely crushed it. It also just kind of broke down what they're doing, how they're growing. He's building his own IMO. Well, they already have an IMO. I apologize. Currently about to grab some food. What's this spot called?
It's called Alegria. So we're gonna get some Colombian food. See if they like the Colombian food, and hopefully they do.
Yeah. Pete gonna scan the spot. We in here. Great vibes, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do this. Then we're gonna hit Zara real quick. Grab some stuff for my godson, and then shoot back up.
It's up to you if you want to eat it.
I'm gonna crush.
Same with you. There might be a little bit.
This will be gone. Don't even worry.
I'm supposed to like mash this up and then put this on top. Is that how you're supposed to do it?
I typically take the rice, and I'll mix the rice with the beans, and then I will just cut up the steak and then cut up the egg and cut up the avocado and just eat it like that.
I'm not gonna lie, I might just throw this to the side, throw this to the side. Cut the steak up, put the steak and the rice and the egg together, put the beans on top of the steak, rice, and egg, then throw the avocado on top of that.
There we go.
And then have this on the side.
There we go. All right. The other two are coming. The other two are coming. More coming.
Let's get up in here, man.
Unreal. Unreal. I ain't gonna be talking. I'll be crushed. I don't know if anyone's gonna finish that.
I might hit that restroom after this, but this is buzzing. So drove out to see my godson, spent some time with them. Good to see him and catch up, see how they were doing. Now, I'm about to go to my boy P's spot, Peruvian food. Gonna get this a spin. Been hearing nothing but great things. And then, I'm gonna go back to the crib. We're gonna finish out this Trust the Seed series. Finally, give y'all the update on everything that's been going on. Take the cheers, son. Talk to us. What you got this for?
Cheers, honestly, to friendship, to loyalty, and just blowing up to the absolute moon.
To the moon, baby.
Do it.
To the moon, baby.
Let me know if you guys get like an on-food.
Wow.
All right, Pete.
Okay.
That's smooth, Pete. That's actually really
Yeah,
smooth.
I really
bro.
like that. I like that a
That's
lot.
very smooth.
Whatever these things are, I'm in it. I'm in it.
Peruvian food hit.
Bro, the pisco, we got the Inca Cola, we got ceviche coming, we got...
But just go straight for it. All right, bet.
All right.
Don't go with like any of the
What's the
add-ons.
difference between these three?
Mix
though?
in, mix in. Chicken,
Talk to me. Oh, I'm not mad at it at all. You're thinking too much about it.
This is not my swag.
No, that's fine.
Just because of the texture.
That's fair.
It's not me.
That's fair. I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it.
Oh, Max said, "Oh, I'm rocking with it."
Oh, I'm not mad at that at all.
Taco time.
Tuesday, baby.
Yes,
Taco
sir.
time.
All right. And this is the tuna and I forget what else.
Damn,
Crazy? Oh, wait.
this is busting. Oh my goodness, bro.
Are you kidding me?
That's good?
Hey, no.
P.
B, this is it right here. This right here
P.
is it.
Yeah. Huh?
Bro, don't even, my goodness. The crunch,
That's the second best thing we've had all
the
weekend.
avocado.
What?
Outside of the Wagyu, that's the best thing we've had all weekend. Yeah, that risotto's going crazy.
Damn.
That risotto's doing it. I'm gonna need you to try that so you know what risotto is. Because you asked me the other day, I'm gonna need you to try that.
Oh yeah, this is hidden. Bro, this is hidden, bro. This is so like, it's so like clean and like I can taste all the spices in this joint.
Whoa.
This joint hidden.
Oh my god. The risotto is incredible. Tenderloin's cooked perfect. You did your thing. He just dug straight in. He hasn't
this
said
is
a
like-
word. I know his is good.
This is so well seasoned, bro. Genuinely, like this is very well seasoned.
Unbelievable. Genuinely, that was like unbelievable. Outside of the A5, like the A5 was, how do I say it? The A5 was the best thing that I ate this weekend. This was the best meal I had. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. This was by far the best meal we had this weekend.
Yeah, no, I agree. I think overall vibes were great. company we were around was amazing. It's always good to meet up, right? Since we're all like kind of away from each other. First time having Wagyu, that was phenomenal. And it was a good day today. Well, actually, since we got here, we had Cuban when we got here, we had Colombian food today, we had Peruvian food now, so 10 out of 10 experience.
Yo, food has been fire, I'm not gonna lie. Me personally, I had a great dish, great meal. I got some pasta. I actually got a lot to take back home, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna have some leftovers. He said that the Peruvian food was not going to disappoint, and it did not disappoint. So, food has been great this weekend. About to slide back to the crib and go ahead and hit the grand finale with the final Trust the Seed episode. So we're gonna take care of that. So we'll see y'all soon. Finished Trust the Seed. So day in the life, wrap up, day 2. More of a chill day, to be honest with you. Good vibes though. So we'll be back. We're really just trying to, like I said, we're trying to make this into a consistent. We're taking trips to go see different agencies that we're working with, to see, and meet all the different agents, but also just to kind of pour value into them and continue to show them how we get down. It's a lot different than the traditional lead vendors. We're not just coming in and giving you leads, but we're also providing the training, any of the details in terms of like how to scale, just because we see so much. So yeah, that's kind of all I got. So wrap on the fellas. Y'all want to finish this out with anything? Mac attack?
Lead lab to the moon. We've been saying it.
That's that. Son. You want to finish with anything? Bring anything? What? Give us some Papa Sant wise words.
Honestly, just sitting here listening to him film that last episode truly made me understand and take a step back to realize that like your life is already written for you. It's just you have to trust the process. Things will work out in the end, and if it hasn't worked out yet, then it's not the end. You just have to have faith. Things will work out.
That's a wrap, y'all. Catch y'all next time. Peace.